Hello students, good morning to you all. In this class, we're going to discuss three accounting standards, that is from 8 to 10. So accounting standard 8, accounting policies, changes in accounting estimates and errors. AS9, revenue recognition. AS10, property, plant and equipment, or we can be call it as fixed asset as well. It's been updated from fixed asset to property, plant and equipment. They have renamed. So in the last two classes, we have discussed from AS1 to AS7. So here we start with AS8, accounting policies, changes in accounting estimates and errors. See here, they were saying we compare this accounting standard with AS5. So what is that AS5? Net profit or loss for the period, comma, prior period items and changes in accounting policies. So this AS site will be compared with AS5. That is rule 1. Next, to make changes in accounting policies, three conditions should be fulfilled. If those three conditions are not fulfilling, then we don't have permit to change accounting policies. First condition is compliance with law. If any of the higher authority, it can be a government, it can be a CA board, chartered accountant board, if they pass any of the law, has to be followed by all the corporate sector, then they can change accounting policy as per the law. Next we have compliance with accounting standard. See for example, if accounting standard board is saying to update one of the accounting standard, for example, previously AS10 was fixed asset, now they were updated to property, plant and equipment. So if any of these accounting standard, if the board says to update, then they can change the accounting policy. Next, more better more better presentation of financial statement. If the company wants to show its financial statement prudently, honestly, then they can change the presentation of financial statement, but the structure has to be remain same, which has to be as per the guidelines of Companies Act of 2013 only. So here we have accounting policies. What is accounting policy? Accounting policies are the specific principles, bases, conventions, rules, and practices applied by an entity in preparing and presenting financial statement or financial information. Next, change in accounting estimates means a change in accounting estimate is an adjustment for the carrying amount of an asset or liability. What is error? Which is done unintentionally. So while recording the errors, again it has to be recorrected. Whatever they have done the mistake, it has to be recorrected as per ASI 8. While recorrecting, first they have to give priority for materiality information, which means they have to give greater scope for materiality information. Why? Because materiality information contains genuine information compared to immateriality. Next, accounting standard AS9, revenue recognition. Revenue recognition means inflow of cash arising from ordinary course of business. For example, If the bank receives interest, investment bank receives interest due to granting a loan, it's a revenue for the bank. If the company have earned the profit after distributing the shares, we call it as dividend, receiving of dividend. Next, royalty, receiving the royalty due to its business growth. It all comes under revenue. And AS 9 applicable to all entities. It means AS accounting standard 9 revenue recognition is applicable to all the companies except AS 7 construction contract. Those companies were coming under construction, they will not be a part of revenue recognition. They come under construction. They come under AS 7 construction contract. So how revenue is measured? The revenue is measured at the fair value of the goods or services received, adjusted by the amount of any cash or cash equivalents transferred. Next, accounting standard AS 10, property, plant and equipment. The major objective of this accounting standard 10 is to prescribe the treatment of property, plant and equipment so that the users of the financial statement can make out information about the investment made by the enterprise in property, plant and equipment. It means whatever the enterprise, whatever the owner has been invested in linkage with property, plant and equipment has to be disclosed clearly in the financial statement. And this accounting standard enables the users of the financial statement to understand the investment made by the business entity in property, plant and equipment. See, what is financial statement? Financial statement can be balance sheet, fund flow statement, cash flow statement, P&L account. All this comes under financial statement. So who are the users here? One who shows interest in the company is said to be a user. For example, the user can be creditor, debtor, the user can be equity shareholders, user can be preference shareholders, user can be lender. So all these persons, all these stakeholders will comes under the users category. So what they will check? They'll check the details of property, plant and equipment in the financial statement, whether the company has shown proper or whether the company has misguided to them. They'll check all the details. So thank you students. I hope you have understood this video. We are winding this session. Thank you all.